Hello, welcome to the channel. Today what I wanted to go through was some information about upcoming talks that I have between now and the end of March. Let's go. Alright, so here's just a table list, and I'll go through each of the talks here individually. But what you can see is that there's a M365 Con I'll be participating in. There's actually 3 sessions there, 2 of them workshops and then a separate session. The Power Platform Bootcamp in Calgary, which pretty sure I'll be involved in, but either way I'll be there if people want to chat. And then last but certainly not least, the AI Agent and Copilot Summit in San Diego. So let's go ahead and let's talk a little bit about these different sessions. So the first one is actually Tuesday, January 13th. So that's actually next week. And it's going to take place at 6 a.m. Mountain Time, and that's UTC -7. Now, this is a workshop, so this is going to be, multiple hours. It's scheduled for 4. We'll see if it lasts that long or not, but definitely expect a lot of content and a lot of walkthroughs. So I'll certainly have a lot of time to explain exactly what's going on here. Now, what I'm going to talk about is, logic apps and MCP servers and how we can go ahead and build those MCP servers. And once we've gone ahead and done that, how can we then go ahead and use them or consume them from Copilot Studio? So this is very much going to be an integration talk. I'll also talk about some of the other MCP server capabilities that are found inside of Copilot Studio as well. So not just the logic apps, but a good part will be logic apps, just because I think there's a lot of opportunities when leveraging logic apps, and I'll certainly cover all of that. Now, the cost of this is free, so you can go ahead and access this at no cost. That would be live. I don't believe you'll have access to any sort of recordings for the free tier, but go ahead and register at this link. I'll include these links in the description of the video as well. All right, so similar but different. On the Friday, January 16th, we'll have another workshop. So this will be another multi-hour event. And this one's going to focus on agentic business process development in logic apps using our agent loop construct. So what I'm going to do is take people through the agent loop in a day curriculum, and we'll go ahead and build an IT service management agent that connects to ServiceNow. So if you want to learn more about building these agentic business processes inside of logic apps, this is a great session to go ahead and attend. Now, once again, cost is free. For both of these workshops, there was the option to charge, and I actually asked that we don't charge anything for them. And so these are very much available to you at no cost. Once again, I believe you'll have to catch this live if you want to actually see it, though. So that's the catch, but it is at 6 a.m. once again. That's Mountain Time, so UTC -7. I believe that would be about 2 p.m. Well, I guess it would be probably about 1 p.m. England time, and then I guess if you were in other parts of Europe, like Sweden, Netherlands, Germany, I believe that would be 2 p.m. So for a pretty friendly time zone as well. Once again, here, check out this link as well, and I'll include the link in the video description. Now, the last session, and this is going to be, actually, I've got a typo. So this is going to be Friday, January 23rd at 12 p.m. Mountain Time. So this will be a little bit later if you're over in Europe. Now, this one also is free, although there's a bit of a caveat. And so best to go ahead and check the registration page here. Free people that register in the free tier have like some limits around like the sort of session tracks that they can select from. I believe you can choose from 3 of multiple. So there's some potential caveats there, so I put the star. But there's also a nominal fee that actually gives you access to the recordings and whatnot. So that actually might be a better option here. But, there is some ways to watch this for no cost. Now, the session is going to be a little bit different than what we've talked about before. It's obviously shorter, it's 45 minutes, but we're going to talk about different ways to build agentic business process in Microsoft Foundry and Azure Logic Apps. And so here we'll take a quick peek at the Foundry workflows feature, and then we'll also take a look at Logic Apps as well. and also kind of an example of best of both, where we can actually use both Logic Apps and Foundry in order to solve a problem. So that's another one to go ahead and look for. Now, next up is Calgary. So this is the Power Platform Bootcamp. I've participated in this for several years, and once again, it's coming back to Calgary. I believe on the Friday, the 20th, is going to be some workshops. I probably won't be involved in those, but I would imagine being involved in the actual day of the 21st. And so go ahead, register. There's no cost for this as well. Organizers always do a great job. If you're in Calgary, work in the Power Platform, this is the place to be for sure. I would imagine, if I do a session here, it would be related to some of the things we've talked about already, MCP servers, agentic business processes, things like that. So, go ahead and check that out. So the last session is at the AI Agent and Copilot Summit North America. So that's a mouthful. So this is actually a pretty big event. I've spoken at one of these events before when it was more Power Platform centric back in Phoenix several years ago, and looking forward to return. Now in this one, they've introduced the sort of some Azure tracks as well. So this is going to be a little bit of a hybrid, right? Where we'll talk about Azure Logic Apps and how we kind of fit into the overall landscape, and how we can actually go ahead and leverage Logic Apps as a building block from other agentic platforms like Copilot Studio and also Microsoft Foundry as well. So this one I'm looking forward to a lot. San Diego is obviously a great place to visit. There is a cost for the conference itself, but it's a multi-day event. A lot of sessions, a lot of folks from Microsoft, a lot of MVPs and other community members as well. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Lots on my plate. Looking forward to this. A lot of diverse topics, which is fun. This is what I like being part of integration about. And as we think about AI and sort of the agentic platforms that exist, there's still a need for a lot of this integration to be the backbone. So feel free to say hi if you see me at any of these things. Go ahead, watch it online, send me messages, any feedback. You're welcome to do so, and I'd be very much appreciated. So thanks again, and check out the description for any of these links. Thanks.